Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to draw an Instagram messages. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open the Instagram application on your phone. Then you want to go and navigate to the messages on the top right side. Then you want to go and select any one of these chats. Then you want to click on this plus icon on the bottom right side. Then you want to click on draw. And here now we can draw anything. I will draw with the yellow color. I will draw like this. Hi man, for example. And here you go. If you want to remove anything, you can simply click on this undo button on the bottom left side. You can even use many other tools right here. You have the eraser tool on the top right side. You can use it like so and erase what you have typed. And here you have also some other types of pencils or brushes. You have this one here with the neon effect. And if you want to delete it, you just have to use the delete button or the eraser tool, as you can see. And you have here this marker also. And that is it. This is how you can actually draw in your chat, and you can simply click on this send message on the bottom right side in order to confirm sending or drawing this in the chat. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.